Assalamu alaikum and welcome to English with AB. As you already know that we have started a series in which I am going to teach you how to form questions, how to write questions. You already know that in A1 Life Skill Spouse Visa exam, you have to write some questions specifically in part 1B and part 2B. So forming or writing questions in these parts are extremely crucial to you. I have started this series to help you out how to formulate questions, how to make questions and then their possible answers. So let's get started. Hello everyone. Our today's topic is weather. I have formulated some questions to help you out. What's your favorite weather and why? The first question is, what's your favorite weather and why? My favorite weather is cloudy weather because in that weather I can enjoy a lot and do a lot of outdoor activities. I do a lot of activities outdoors, both are fine. You can say a lot of outdoor activities or activities outdoors. Next question, question number 2. Do you think weather is changing? If so, why do you think this is? Yes, the weather is changing very quickly. Answer of the first part of the question. Yes, the weather is changing. The weather is changing very quickly, and I think this is happening because now we have more factories and mills. You can simply say here, if so, within the question, if so, why? Or you can say, if so, why do you think this is? Question number 3. Do you like snow? No, I do not like snow because snow makes everything very slow and lazy. You can say, yes, I like snow because snow makes me very happy, whatever way you want to say it. Since I don't like it, so I said that. Question number 4. Which do you like better, hot weather or cold weather? I like the cold weather because in that weather you can do a lot of activities outdoor and indoor. Question number 5. Do you have snow in your country? Yes, I have snow in some parts of my country, especially in the north side. Okay. Question number 6. What months do you get the most rain in your country? Meaning the maximum rain, in which months you have in your country. Well, in the months of July, August and September, we have the most rain in our country. So far 6 questions are done. So we're gonna move to question number 7 now. What's the average temperature in your country in the summertime? Well, the average temperature in my country in summertime is around 45 degrees centigrade, which is very hot. Of course it is. 45 degrees centigrade is really scorching and boiling temperatures, you know. Question number 8. How about in the weather? You can change the answer according to your like. You can say, well, the average temperature in my country in summertime is around 20, whatever way you want to say it. This is just to give you an idea. Okay. Question number 8. How about in the winter? Meaning, what about the weather temperature in the winter season? It is a continuation from the 7th question. How about in the winter? Meaning, how about the temperature in the winter? Well, in winter, it's like 5 degrees to 10 degrees, which is very pleasant. You can give this small piece of information if you want to. It's always good to, make sure that you give good answer. Question number 9. What kind of climate do you prefer when choosing a place to go on vacation? Oh, the best part, vacation. Well, I prefer the cold climate as in my country most of the time is very hot, so I don't want to go to a place with hot climate. Yes, you always want to have a different, you always want to experience different climate when you prefer, especially me. Maybe it's not case with you, but especially me. Since where I live is very hot, so I always prefer the cold climate. Question number 10. What are the different seasons? Well, the different seasons are summer, winter, autumn and spring. And we are very blessed that in our country we have all these 4 seasons. Okay, so far question number 10, we are done with the half. I have 20 question collection with myself to help you. Question number 11, in your opinion, which season is the most beautiful? In my opinion, I think spring is the best season. You can give some extra answer with that. If you want to keep it this much, this is fine. You can add like, in my opinion, I think spring is the best season because in that season the flower blossom everywhere and it's so colorful everywhere we see. Question number 12, do you think weather affects the way people feel? Oh yes, weather does affect the mood of the people. If the weather is good, of course they feel good. Question number 13, what are the different kinds of weather? Now the first one was season. Now the weather is a different. Season is like summer season, winter season, autumn and spring season. But weather is like the condition is like for a small period of time. Seasons are like for months, but weather could be, can change daily. Okay, the different kinds of weather are like dry, wet, sunny and cloudy. खुश्क हैं, गीले हैं, सूरज निकला हुआ है और बादलों वाले हैं, cloudy. What is the weather like in your country? Question number 14. What is the weather like in your country? Meaning how is the weather in your country? What is the weather like in your country? You can say how is the weather like in your country. Same, it's one and the same thing. दोनों एक ही बात है. Well, mostly is hot. Mostly it is hot for like 8 months. Mostly, let me just correct this. It is hot for like 8 months and only 4 months we have pleasant weather. People who are from Asia, they know it very well that specifically in Indo-Pak it really is hot weather. Question number 15, does knowing the weather for the next day changes your plan? Yes, knowing the weather of next day changes my plan always, because after that I dress accordingly. This is how I really do. Question number 16, have you ever checked the weather for your country on the internet? Yes, I always check. Yes, I always check when I have to go out for some shopping or visit. Here you see, you can simply change it. Whatever the speaker is going to ask you, you just need to take the speaker's word and you can answer. Okay, I always check when I have to go out for some shopping or visit. Question number 17, what time of year is the best weather where you live? You can add here well, and then you can say, well, the best time of the year is from November to February, as it is very pleasant. Okay. Question number 17 are done. We're now going to go towards the last 3 questions. I have tried to make 20 questions to help you out, so you can make the maximum questions and feel confident during your exam or even before your exam, because if you are well prepared, अच्छे से तैयारी कर लेंगे और you will be confident. So आप जब पेपर में जाओगे तो automatically आपका पेपर बहुत अच्छे से होगा. Question number 18, have you ever seen snow? Yes, I have seen snow many times in north parts of my country. You can change it. You can say it, no, I have not seen snow because it never snows in my country. But you can also answer, yes, I have seen snow many times in north parts of my country. आज का ये जो एग्ज़ाम है, ये सच और झूठ का एग्ज़ाम नहीं है, ये जस्ट आपकी स्पीकिंग स्किल्स का और लिसनिंग स्किल का एग्ज़ाम है. तो आपने इस बात से कतई नज़र आपने सिर्फ आंसर देना है बोलकर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, वेयर डू यू गेट योर वेदर इंफॉर्मेशन? सोर्स, कि कहाँ से आप वेदर की इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हो, उसका सोर्स यहाँ बताएंगे. वी वुड लाइक टू टेल द सोर्स. वेल, आई गेट माई वेदर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन द इंटरनेट. You can say I get my weather information on the internet or TV or on the mobile phone, things like that. The last question of the day, and it makes me really happy, and you too. Question number 20. What is your favorite winter activity? My favorite winter activity, so we took the word from here. We have changed your to my. My favorite activity is playing cricket and going out to different places with my family. You could say maybe my favorite activity is to stay home and play with my family indoors.